Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Draft here, and me and my friend Zippy Zebra are going to sing a song by Rush called Train Lightning. And since we couldn't find a karaoke version to the song, we have to sing it with the actual song, you know? Alright, let's do it, Zippy! Energy is contagious. Enthusiasm spreads. Tides respond to lunar gravitation. Everything turns in synchronous relation. Water is infectious. Excitement goes to my head. Winds are stirred by planets in rotation. Sparks ignite and spread new information. Respond, vibrate, feedback, resonate. Sun dogs fire on the horizon. Meteor rain soars across the night. This moment may be brief, but it can be so bright. Hope is the epidemic. Optimism spreads. Bitterness breeds irritation. Ignorance breeds imitation. Nice. Thank you. Respond. Vibrate. Feedback. Resonate. Sun does fire on the horizon. Meteor rain stars across the night. This moment may be brief, but it can be so bright. Reflected in another source of light. When the moment dies, spark still flies. Reflected in another paradise. Themes are sometimes catching. Desire goes through my head. Love respond to your invitation. Love respond to imagination. Respond. Vibrate. Feedback. Resonate. Respond. Vibrate. Feedback, resonate. Sun does fire on the horizon. Meteor rain stars across the night. This moment may be brief, but it can be so bright. Reflected in another source of light. When the moment dies, spark still flies. Reflected in another paradise, reflected in another source of light. When the moment dies, sparks still fly. Reflected in another paradise, reflected in another source of light. When the moment dies, sparks still fly. Reflected in another paradise. That's nice. Oh yeah! That was awesome! Yeah! 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 Zippy! Yeah! Zippy! Ah, Zippy! Zippy! Yeah? It's over. Oh, sorry about that, Jimmo. It's Jimmy. Right. I'm just so excited about that song. I love Rush. Rush. Woo! Are you okay? I'm fine. Whoa, Rush! Okay, well, this video is to honor our human friend Zeke's dad's birthday, which is today. So, happy birthday to Zeke's dad, because his favorite band is Rush, and we sang a song from Rush, so, yeah. Bye-bye, everyone. See you on the next video. Oh, there's the button to turn it off.